What's up, YouTube? New day, new mod today. Oh, this is going to be making the car look so good. This is going to be one of the last. Who am I lying to? This is not going to be the last, but this is going to be another mod for the car that's going to be looking good. And today, I know you have you read the description, but bam, we putting the tire letters on today. And if you don't know how to put tire letters on, which I know y'all do, there's plenty of videos. Probably not gonna walk you guys through it, but pretty much I have acetone. That's what I bought from Home Depot for like $7. And then I have the kit here, of course, from Tire Stickers, where they give you this nice, lovely adhesive, and this blue bottle here is the cleaner. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me doing this process, and give you guys a quick walkthrough. Okay guys, it is officially done. All four wheels. Look at her now. Whew. That's looking good. Full track car. That's gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. I put text in here so you guys can see the process, what I'm doing. It's the same general process that everybody do when they add tire stickers on. Unless you're going with the pen, all you gotta do is just write and mark on the brand of the tire on there. But I feel like it doesn't look right. Go big or go home. Get the full race car look. So be sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.